Okay, it looks pretty clean. Did a bunch of time on it the other day, but I decided that we're going over to Home Depot, and for 68 bucks we're gonna do steam clean. We're gonna cover the alternator, and we're gonna take it easy where there are obviously electronics. So we'll go through all this in here. We're going top down. We're gonna get into the nitty gritty. Then we're gonna get into getting down to the bottom, going over to the diff, the gas tank, the drive shafts, everything basically, to get this thing just clean. Once we go clean, as they say, we'll then start doing the work on it. But you can see there's some grime up there, so good befores and afters, and then gonna order all the parts and start doing that. Sorry about that. The valve cover changes. Actually gonna take these front wheels off on this right now and lift it up a little bit, but we'll see how it starts off here.